ayan mga kalindog, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is we're going to mukbang. Ayan, of course guys, meron tayong tinolang tahong or the tinolang mussels and of course prito. So guys, but before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you are always notified with my new videos.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Hello mga kalindog. Today is we're going to mukbang. Ayan guys, I will show you ang ating kakainin. Meron tayon or we have the tinolang tahong. And of course, ayan, meron tayong fried fish. And one plate of rice. So ayan guys, ito mga kalindog. Of course, kailangan natin ibaba ang ating camera so you will see the food. Ayan mga kalindog, wala lang tayong magawa or i-update natin ang ating YouTube channel. So let's make mukbang or we're talking a little bit while I'm eating. Ayan my mga kalindog, this is the tinolang tahong or the ano ba yan, the tahong. Kasi hindi ko na alam kung i-English ko, i-Italian ko, kotse siya sa Italian. Sa English naman is correct me if I'm wrong ha. Well, ayan guys, masarap siya at meron tayong itong ano ba to? Dorata o pritong isda. Okay, anyways, ayan guys. Ayan, the mussels, ayan, in English naman pala, ayan, meron tayong tinolang mussels. Ayan guys. Oh my god, this is my favorite mga kalindog. So, let's start. Umpisahan natin ang ating mukbang. There we go guys. Oh, ayan yung broccoli. Di ba? Yummy. And ayan ang ating pritong isda. Oh my god. Umpisahan na natin. At meron tayong coffee guys. Ayan, because this is my breakfast and lunch. So, let's taste guys kung okay na siya sa alap. OMG. Alam nyo guys, I like it because a lot of ginger. Ayan. Kasi sa tinola, ang nagpapasarap ay ang ginger. Right mga viewers? Correct me if I'm wrong or I'm always wrong. Diba? Ayan. Mga kalindog, tingnan nyo yung prito. Look at this guys, the fried fish. Ayan, ginawa ko siyang a little bit croquant, ayan, fried better para mas, diba, masarap. So, harap. So, ayan guys, you know, today is March. Starting now the, ano ba yun? The sun is always shining. Ayan guys, maganda na yung panahon. Kaya ayan, very energetic tayo, di ba, right? Sun always make me happy. Ayan, kasi pag every time winter raining and a cold, I'm depressed mga kalindog. Nade-depress ang inyong alindog. Yan yun. Guys, ang sarap kumain. You know mga kalindog, this is my hobby and this is only my my weakness. I'm not drinking, I'm not smoking. Yeah, I love eating. And we need to enjoy life, guys, huh? Life is too short. Di ba? Sarap? Diba? I hope every day is like this, mga kalindog. Sarap ng kinakain ko. Oy, tignan nyo mga kalindog yung mussels o yung tahong. O diba, look. Look at this, guys. Look at this tahong, how big it is. O diba? Very orange siya. Diba? Yummy. Yummy. Tapos, ito yung prito, guys. Oh, this is the fried fish. Diba? Pinalutong ko. Did you hear that? So, diba? Inggit pa more. Yummy. So, guys, I have my coffee, but I need to make a little bit warm my coffee. Wait. So, diba mga kalindog, enjoy life. Alam nyo, you know guys, life is too short. And I'm gonna tell you guys, diba? Guys, life is not, what do you call that? They said always, time is gold. And that is not true. You know, guys, time is happiness in life. You know, we need to be happy, and we need to, what do you call that, mga kalindog? We need to be, Guinness, what is Guinness? Enjoy life, you know. Life is too short, so we need to enjoy our life. That's it. Diba? You know, not, the time is not gold. Ayan, because may kasabihan, even here in Germany, time is Geld. What is, time is Geld, but not true. Time, ang kasabihan ko para sa akin dito sa Germany, Zeit is Leben, nicht Geld. Oh, di ba? I don't know, bahala na si Batman. Ayan guys, di ba? So ayan mga kalindog, di ba? Tulad ng sinabi ko, life is happiness and enjoying, you know. Kailangan nating i-enjoy ang buhay, mga kalindog. Di ba? Kain lang tayo ng kain. But, don't eat too much, ha? You need to moderate, you know. Kailangan din natin na nag-be careful, especially when we are getting already old. Ayan, right, my car? You're getting old. Oh my God. Mga kalindog, ang sarap. Really. The ginger. Oh, I love ginger. And guys, I think I eat a little bit more today. Because I'm going to work. You know, I need to move too much. So that's why I don't care. I'm not going to sleep here. I'm not gonna stay in the one place. I need to work. Ayan, you know my work, guys. Always moving, running. Yeah. Yummy. Diba? Ang sarap. Tapos, sabayan natin ng kape, mga kalindog. Sarap, my God. This is my breakfast and lunch, mga kalindog. Let's see how many minutes. Okay, guys, almost 10 minutes. Okay lang. Ang sarap. And guys, sorry, the fish have the bones, ayan, the tinik. Oh, like this, oh. So that's why we need to be careful. O yan, look the tinik, oh, di ba? Be careful. Yummy. Naku guys, I'm going to finish this mga kalindog. Okay? So ayan, we are almost, ayan, we are 10 minutes now already guys. So kunin na natin and the rest of the rice mga kalindog. Ay mga kalindog, oh. Gawin na natin bottom ups, bottom ups. Ayan, di ba? Ayan. Ubusin na natin. Let's finish this rice, mga kalindog. Di ba? As I can say, merengay. Di ba? Enjoy life. But be careful, ha? Guys, I'm not eating always, or I'm not eating everyday rice. Once in a blue moons only. Ayan. Especially nung my dad is here, yeah, I eat two times a week. 2 times a week. But not every day. Kasi guys, talaga nakaka-high blood ang rice, ha. Ayan. So guys, anyway guys, I need to enjoy my food, ha. So, thank you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoy my video. Ayan, I will finish first my food because I'm talking. I'm scared maybe the bones or the tinik I can swallow. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy my video. So bye, I love you. I finished it. Bye. So ayan guys, I almost done. I almost finished. Look at this, oh, no more. The tinola, and of course the rice, oh, no more. And look the fish, only the head. And almost 2 spoons. So yeah, I'm very full guys. So ayan guys, look what happened sa ating kinain. Ayan ang natin ang isda. Nothing no more. And of course, ayan, all the way down. Di ba? So, satisfied, guys. Ayan ang ating kinain. So, ayan, thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.